What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are working on, well, my brother's working on his 350Z right now. He's trying to paint match his wheels. He's trying to do I think he's trying to do the same gold as my Subaru's wheel. Anyways, I'm working on the hood right now. Let me show you guys. I had to go get what do you call it? I had to go get some sandpaper. I got 220 grit, but it's not working out, so I had to go and get 80 grit right there. So since I showed you guys the other day, this paint is like chipping and it's not the greatest. Let's say the hood is in a really bad shape just on the paint wise. There is a little dent there. It's a bend here, and the other on the bottom there's dent. But I got it for a really good price, just comparing to everything online. Right, so this guy's here working on his wheels, like I said. So I'm gonna set this down, show you guys how it looks after I'm done. So I'll update you guys in a little bit. Alright, so after couple of 30 minutes, this is all I had done. Well, this is all I've done, right? And I have so much more to go. I'm getting sick and tired of this thing. I can cut the paint, cutting the sandpaper. So I might just go get one of those electric sander or grinder, whatever you call that, and go buy new paint for my brother. Also, my bumper's sitting outside. Pick up the camera in a little bit. I charged it not that long ago. Alright, so we just came back from O'Reilly's, picked up this thing. I guess it adapts to the drill. I don't have to buy a new machine. Got 40 grit. So I don't have to worry about this thing taking forever. Anyways, I'm gonna attach that thing and put it on the grill. On the grill. I'm hungry already. Put it on the drill. My brother already got his spray cans. So yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna pull out the drill and get started. So I'll give you an update as soon as I'm done. I'll show you guys real quick. All right, let me show you guys. It took me 30 minutes just to get to like a part here. I already tried earlier with the drill, and it works pretty good. Let me show you guys real quick. What a difference, right? But you're gonna be like, oh yeah, you're sanding it bare metal all the way to bare metal. Yes, I am actually, because the hood is really rusted. So no matter where I go, like literally the hood is rusted. So I just want to make sure when I spray or when I primer the hood, it's not
with no contact,
it's not rusted, right? I want to just shave, just get it over with right now, and then deal with it, and not deal with it later, right? So, yeah, let me get to it. Let me show you guys what I mean. See how most of that was rusted, right? So that's why I'm doing it all the way bare metal. I know the hood is not in the best shape, but I want to keep it as best shape as possible since everything is becoming so hard to find. So yeah, let me get back to it and I'll... Okay, so this is the update. It's completely bare metal right now. As you guys can tell. There's a lot of imperfections on this hood, but we got it done. I'm gonna hit it with I'm gonna clean it with paint thinner and or alcohol, whichever, and then spray it with primer, and then wet sand the primer, and then again primer it one more time, so we can fill up all the deep scratches, because it was really bad. The hood was really bad. There is a lot of rust mark that I could not remove, like in this area right here. I don't know if you can tell, rust. But anyways, I mean, it looks way better than before, right? I'm gonna spray this thing and show you guys after. Alright guys, so let me give you a quick update on the hood, how it looks. So it's been a couple of days since I pretty much worked on this thing. It looks decent. It needs a lot of work. Can't really see back down here, but I'm removing the exhaust so I can take it back to the homie that sold me the car. It didn't come with the test pipe like he said, but it did come with the cats, which I'm gonna need. I really don't like my cars that loud, so that's gonna help out a lot. And of course the exhaust system I already ordered, and we're just gonna have to give this to the homie. But yeah, let me pull it out and then continue and show you guys what's up. Alright, exhaust is dropped. Let me pull it out real quick. Yeah, we're still gotta go home and pick up or remove the ones on the shoe-through, bring them here, mount these here on, mount the other ones on this one, and vice versa, whatever. I'm gonna take this off anyways, so I'm gonna take this apart and pick up the camera right now. Alright, I already took them apart. They're kind of heavy, somewhat. Mainly this side. Mainly this side right here. Anyways, 2 pieces. These are the ones that the homie is asking for, so we're gonna get them back to. Well, that was part of the deal, actually. But either way, we're gonna go get the other wheels, swap on this one, and then take his wheels today, because today is well, it's car week this week, so I want to go check it out. Meanwhile, I'm still happening because nothing happened last year, so I want to go. But either way. Alright, I'm at home. I'm about to wash this thing because it's really dirty, and we're about to head out to Monterey Car Week. So let me get started, pick up the camera once I get to Monterey. Alright, so we made it to Monterey. I'm sitting in Total Bashi's right now. We're about to have some ramen, and I'll walk around and show you guys what supercars are around. Alright, so I just got my ramen in. We're about to munch out, and we're gonna head out and show you guys what's going on. So let me just munch out. Check it out. Right-hand drive Acura, Lamborghini Gallardo, just chilling. And somebody got papped down there at the bar. Oh man, I wish I was not driving right now. Ferrari. Yeah. Boy, this is what I came actually to see. I didn't know it was for sale, but it's actually for sale. R33, midnight purple, carbon fiber wing, RB26, twin turbo, fucking sick. As you guys already know, came here to check this one out. I wish I was out there to take a look at it, but there's so many. Of course, a bunch of classics. Ferrari, BMW, classics, Porsche, you name it. But out of all of them, this one takes it. Alright, so I got the wheels in the car. I'm gonna finish this video by taking the 240 to the shop with my friend, to the body shop with my friend. So I got the wheels, I got the exhaust on the back. So I'm gonna go to UN Wraps and get the 240 ready to go to the body shop. So let's go.
Yeah.
A ver. Alright, so the homie helped me push the car. Now this homeboy is gonna tow it to the shop. It looks so hard from this angle before you just, you know what I mean? This angle. You can't even tell the front end's damaged, but yeah, it's so sad.
Perfect.
Here she goes. Manos.
Now we gotta put it back on.
Yeah.
How heavy is this bumper?
Not as kind of heavy.
No, my Toto.
Goes. Okay, let's go to the shop. Jeez. Wraps. As you guys know, if you guys need anything, hit up my boy Wraps. That's how she goes, I think. Okay, so this is gonna be the 240's home for a little bit until my friend says that it's ready to go. I'll come and pick it up, but it is what it is, right? She's gonna look beautiful once she is out of here. So yeah, so excited. Anyways, hopefully nobody jacks or breaks into the car, because then we have to replace windows, and hopefully that's not the case. So let's be positive and she'll be safe. Right. Alright, let me get out of here, go drop off those wheels and the exhaust to the homie in Salinas. Alright, so this is it for this video. It might be pretty long, this video. Well, I started working on the hood, and then what else did I do? Went to Monterey Car Week, and then of course took off the wheels. And oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I took off the wheels because I did not record that part. I took off the wheels, took off the exhaust, and you guys saw that part, but you guys didn't see that I removed the wheels that I have back here and put my wheels on the 240. It looks pretty good, but the front does not fit perfectly. Anyways, that's all what we did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because there is more content coming up and there's more videos coming up on that 240. So stay tuned. Of course, we're gonna put the KVD rear and side skirts kit on there, and we're gonna put this Spirit Ray front stop bumper on the 240. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Once again, subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them down below, and turn that bell notification so every time I upload a new video, you guys are the first one to watch it. Anyways, I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.